Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Jean Paul Gaultier toiletry bag. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So in this clear plastic bag or packet is a Jean Paul Gaultier toiletry bag. Let's go ahead and open it up by, of course, peeling open the plastic seal that's keeping the bag securely packaged. So sliding that clear plastic bag to the side and keeping it away from children, pets and babies, and of course recycle or reusing it thoughtfully. We're now taking a look at the Jean Paul Gaultier toiletry bag, and just to give you some idea of the size, I'm going to place my hand on top of the bag right there, giving you some sense of scale as well. So as you can see, it is a navy and white bag. So that navy having a very, very dark blue coloring. And of course, those white and blue or navy stripes going across the toiletry bag. So you can see it does have a marine or nautical theme to it, having that marine rope, which feels really soft and plush at the same time. Right there, giving you a look as to the softness of that rope at the end of the bag, and just giving you an all-round look at the various aspects of this toiletry bag. So at the front we can see that Jean Paul Gaultier branding as well, and the zipper does have a very chunky design. And now let's slide the slider across, and it does have a cloth or textile or fabric tag to that slider, and just sliding it across and taking a look inside. You can see once again that Jean Paul Gaultier branding that shows inside or the interior of this toiletry bag, and it does have that consistent navy coloring to it on the inside as well. That matches the outside of the toiletry bag as well, so giving you an all-round look. Right there, the back and front of this Jean Paul Gaultier toiletry bag. And once again, just giving you an idea of the size, expanding it or stretching it out fully, and taking a look inside right there to give you a good idea of the inside of this toiletry bag, and some idea of the size as well, just placing my hand inside of it, fisting that toiletry bag. Okay, now let's slide that slider right across back to the closed position on the zipper, and you can see that nice chunky zipper design, and at the end of it is a arrow shaped tab. So right there is the Jean Paul Gaultier toiletry bag, and of course the underside does expand out, so it is, or does have that flat bottom. So let me open up the zipper, really kind of puff it up as best I can to give you a better idea of the shape of this Jean Paul Gaultier toiletry bag. So right there you can see standing upright, and in terms of the fabric, it does feel really nice, and giving you a close-up look to that, what I believe is cotton textile design, and of course the white strips that go across horizontally on the bag is actually printed onto the dark blue or navy fabric of the bag. So giving you a look right there, and that close-up detail, and of course the underside as well right there. And just take a look at the sides as well. Nice tight seams right across all around the bag, and of course that bottom or base of the bag does flatten out to give you that ability to stand the bag in the upright position right there. And now just closing or pulling that slider right across that zipper so you can see in the closed position the Jean Paul Gaultier toiletry bag with a navy and white design or color, and of course that very soft marine rope style length of rope that goes around that corner of the bag, or it doesn't. As you can see, it doesn't loop through fully, although that effect does kind of look like a coil of rope going right through and across the bag, so you can actually use it as a carry handle as well. Right there, nice and soft in feel right there, giving you a nice close-up look. Not rough or tough at all, just giving you a look right there to the plushness and luxuriousness of this rope end. So right there is the Jean Paul Gaultier toiletry bag. So I'm just going to try and puff it up once again and give you that look right inside and around this toiletry bag. And sliding that zipper closed. So giving you an all-round look with my hands and fingers out of the way, so you have a nice full view of this bag. So that's the Jean Paul Gaultier toiletry bag. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!